Welcome to Robot Repair Steampunk style. Powering up the core now.
Pressure stable. Go.
It's working!
A success.
The gear alignment is nearly there.
I'll increase the pressure.
Good. The automaton is responding. Steady now. Let's bring it to life.
It's responding. The gears are aligning.
Excellent. A perfect activation. There. One final adjustment.
It's ready. Let's see.
Initiating.
Look it go.
Success. Hand me that bracket.
Here. This should align it.
Good. Now the torque.
Almost there.
Perfect. You know that they listen to our conversations. What? Are you serious? I've seen their lights flicker when we talk. Initiating primary systems now.
Pressure is stable. All indicators are green.
Excellent. The primary arm is responding perfectly. The left unit's gears need alignment.
Agreed.
Let's check the timing.
This joint is sticking.
Apply the lubricant. Good work. If I tighten this bolt, then...
It will be complete?
Exactly. Watch.
It's working.
Pressure's holding. Engage the core.
Alignment confirmed. Inserting the modulator.
Gears are syncing. It's alive. Power levels are stable. Hold steady now. There we go. Activating the primary systems. Perfect. Hand me the large wrench.
Here you are.
All right, now the lever.
Engaging.
The primary gear is misaligned. Hand me the spanner.
Right away, sir. The pressure is stable.
Good. Now, engage the secondary piston. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.